Hello everyone.
Happy December 14th. Today we celebrate monkeys, roast chestnuts, and the joy of playful warmth. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's Monkey Day. A fun salute to primates in playfulness. A great gift could be a monkey plushie, a jungle-themed calendar, or a wildlife donation. What's your favorite monkey fact? Let's swing into the comments. It's Roast Chestnuts Day. A cozy tradition of holiday flavor. A thoughtful gift could be a chestnut roasting pan, a gourmet nut sampler, or a holiday recipe card. Have you roasted chestnuts? Let's warm the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. Christmas is 11 days away and the countdown is roasting with holiday cheer. It's Energy Conservation Day. A reminder to save and sustain. A sweet gift could be LED lights, a reusable energy kit, or a smart plug. What's your eco tip? Let's share in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for January 11th to 15th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.